we have a fantastic new product that we're launching at IBC this year, which is our new Alpha Nova series of studio lights. These are absolutely brand new and have a fantastic new technology. So Alpha Nova 1 is available in a single colour system that's in daylight or tungsten, and that will have filters to correct it up or down from daylight to tungsten, plus or minus green filters, and a diffuser. Alpha Nova 2 is a colour mixing system that gives you lovely colours all the way from candlelight all the way up to full daylight. These are the equivalent of a 1000-watt luminaire, tungsten luminaire, but they only use 38 watts of power, so they're incredibly efficient. The other beautiful thing about them is that the light that they produce, they're a very wide flood. They have a 110-degree beam angle, which I think is twice as much as, for instance, a light panel's 1 foot square panel, and they're about twice as bright. So this one light will do the same job as 2 ordinary light panels floods. So they're a very, very useful light. And very soon we'll have Alpha Nova 3, which will be able to do 3 colours, and we hope to have all of the international gels available as programmed colours for that as well. Colour temperature there. You can adjust that in little steps, or you can adjust it in big steps. You can come out of that and go to brightness. You can adjust that in little steps or adjust that in big steps. You can set the control value by Wi-Fi, DMX, or local if you want to. And it has ordinary DMX 512 built in as well, so you can use it on a DMX lighting system. But it's basically a Wi-Fi connection, which is why it works so well for the iPhone. It's incredibly efficient on batteries as well, because it comes with a V-lock plate, and we've been running this Anton Bauer battery now for this is the 3rd day we've been running it, actually. We did about 2 hours on the first day, 4 hours yesterday. It's done about an hour this morning, and it's still got 2/3 of the energy left in the battery. We haven't recharged it yet, so it's incredibly efficient. It's a really efficient light. We can actually create a large panel of ANOVAs, so you can have a massive wall of light if you need to. The really exciting technology that we're launching at IBC to the world for the first time is the Rotolight Magic Eye application for iPhone. And what the Magic Eye allows you to do is to sample a colour, sample a brightness, transmit it to the light, and it'll reproduce the colour and reproduce the brightness and intensity. So we'll also have a suite of fader style applications, so you'll be able to control a group of the Alpha Nova lights, and they will have a kind of a DMX style fader panel, and be able to perform as a group, record scenes, do all the scene changes. The primary release will be for iPhone and iPad, and then later on we'll develop it for Android. Absolutely.